What's up, you guys? Brian here. If you are new to reselling or making money online, come with me and I will show you how I do things. These Cole Haan 0 grand shoes cost me $48. They will cost me about $15 to ship out to my customer. The eBay fees will be about $14. That means it cost me about $77 to get this product to my customer. If I sell these shoes for $110, that is $33 profit. There are 7 pairs of shoes here. That's $231 in potential profit for only one listing. For those of you that have never looked up how to look up what an item is worth, here's how you do it. You go to the eBay app, you type in the item. Here it's Cole Haan 0 grand. I'm going to put wingtip and then the color. So wine. And click it, and here you go. They pop up. You want to click filters, and then you want to go down to right here where it says sold items. You want to make sure that's clicked because you want to see what's sold, not what's listed. Because things are listed and they don't get sold. You also want to make sure you click the buy it now because you don't want to do auction. Well, some people do auctions. I don't do auctions. I want a store, so I do buy it now. Here is all of the items that I've sold with this colorway of these pairs of shoes. As you can see, there's some here that say $94 plus $8 shipping. There's an $85, $75, but some of these don't have boxes. Mine do have boxes, so I'll be able to get more money. There's one with a box for $100, another one for $100, one for $110. There was one for even $140. I would definitely list these for $110. These are Peter Millar Summer Comfort long sleeve button-up shirts. I bought these for $20. They should cost me about $4 to ship out, $7 in fees. That means that I get these to my customers at $31. I know I can sell these for about $65. I actually sold one of these just recently for $70, but that was a size medium. These are all smalls, so I'm going to lower the price because it's going to take longer to sell smaller sizes, so I'm going to lower the price to $65. So that leaves me at $34 profit per shirt. There are 5 shirts, so that gets me to $170 potential profit. Now, it'll only take me about less than a minute to create this listing. All I have to do is go into the other item that sold and basically take that listing and just change the size and the quantity. All the other item specifics, the pictures and everything are already uploaded. So it won't take a very long time at all. And this will take me less time to ship out than the boxes of shoes. So it will take almost no time at all for a potential $170 profit. These are Nike Epic React Flyknit 2 shoes. I bought these for $60. They should cost me about $15 to ship. Athletic shoes on eBay that are over $100 don't have any fees, so there's no fees there. So it cost me a total of $75 to get this item out to my customers. So that means I'm gonna net about $25 profit per pair of shoes. There were 7 pairs of shoes, but 2 of them were display models that didn't look very good, so I only picked up 5 pairs, but it was a total of $125 profit. This is a pair of Ren Spooner floral shorts. Has some flags on it as well. I've sold this brand in the past, it does very well, but I've sold their Hawaiian shirts, not their shorts, so we'll see how these do. I'm buying these for $17. Shipping them out should cost $4 and fees should be $4. So it should cost me $25 to get these to my customer. These should sell for about $40, which is $15 in profit. There are 3 pairs, so I could potentially get $45 profit for this one listing. However, I'm only going to list 2 because I want to keep one of these pairs for myself because these things are awesome. So I'm only going to sell 2 pairs for the $30 profit. Here's some shoes that I'm going to pick up, where I'm not going to pick up multiple pairs because it's in the clearance aisle and there's just one of them or 2 of them or 3 of them. Here's a pair of Sperry's that I picked up for $6. I didn't even look them up. I just know that I'm going to profit pretty well with them. Same with these Michael Kors shoes, $10. I know I'm going to profit really nicely on these. I don't really have to look them up. If you don't know the prices on them, you will have to look them up when you get started. But I already know I'm going to profit well on these, so I just threw them in my cart. These unfortunately had a stain. There were some Tommy Bahama slip-on shoes. I would have picked them up, but they had a stain. Here's some more Sperry's. They're Sperry loafers. There was a couple pairs here. I believe I picked up 2 pairs. I think I got them for pretty cheap. What were they? $10, I believe. Yes, they were $10. I picked up 1 or 2 pairs. And then there was one pair where I just didn't feel comfortable picking them up because there was like a little dot on the front there, so I ended up not picking them up. So here's inside my cart. I had some more Sperry's here. These were men's Sperry's that were $10. Sperry does pretty well for me, and $10 is pretty cheap. Here's some more Cole Haan shoes. They're not in the box, so I won't get as much money for them, but they're only $10, so I should still get a good profit there. Alright, now it is time to take pictures of all the shoes. So I'm gonna take them over here to my little photo station and start taking photos. Now it's time to upload the photos and finish the listing. This is what the final product will look like. Now, this isn't my whole business. If you're new to my channel, I sell mostly used clothing at thrift stores. But if I can find good deals like these at stores where I only have to do 1 listing, put in very little work, and I can just start shipping things out without a whole lot of work, it allows me to scale a lot easier. You know, when you're going to thrift stores, you're listing 1 item, and then once you sell it, it's gone, right? Whereas with this, I can pick up 10 of 1 item. It takes very little time to do that 1 listing, and then I get profit each time it sells. Now it's a little bit harder to pick up a lot of inventory that is like that, whereas thrift stores is kind of never ending. There's always inventory to be picked up. I would say this is a little bit harder to find, so it'd be difficult to build a whole business around this, but it definitely supplements my income. It allows me to really scale my time easier. Now, obviously, you need more capital to do this. If you're going to a thrift store, picking up something for a few dollars and selling it for $30 is a lot different than, you know, spending $400 and expecting to profit, you know, $200 or whatever. So keep that in mind. Obviously, you need to have more capital, but it does allow you to scale your time. So you have more capital up front, but you don't have to spend as much time. So that's kind of been my transition, is after, you know, I started selling thrift store items for a while, I started to realize that my capital started to grow, and I was like, what can I do with this? Well, now I can do stuff like this, where I can put down that capital, spend very little of my time doing these things, and there's more risk, but there's also more reward for the time spent doing it. So that's why I like doing it. Kind of supplements my business. It's not my whole business, but it is it kind of just helped me scale. So keep that in mind. You guys can figure out if it works for you. And I think that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. If you got some sort of value, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one.